The story of Plants Whisperer. The great Allah given me a gift. I can communicate with the plants. It is like I hearing a song. More complicated but it is hard to describe it. That I knew they talked to me. One day, I tried come closer and touch them for the first time. Then, they talks louder. Somehow, I just know what they are needs. After I given to them. Mashallah, they spread sparkling gases from their leaves to me. It's made me felt like I falling in love with. So, I keeping in touch with them every day with more and more and more plants until they grows all over on the corner of my house and give me more and more love to me. All of those from Allah, the Great.